Oh. Uh-oh. Let me try. Okay. Okay, another. Pants got stuck in the chain. Poor girl. Okay, I'm gonna walk around the town and see what's there to eat or do. I have no idea. So the hotel offers food. It costs 60 pesos. I wonder what's going on here. I don't even know if there's like a supermarket or anything, and where I can find water. Let's just walk around. Oh, I see. I can probably get water here. Don't know about food though. This town is so quaint and quiet. Okay, I think they sell cheese there, like fresh cheese. Yo! ¡Atrás, las bolsas! ¿La bolsa dónde va? Allá. I think I'm supposed to at least try one gordita here, but the gordita store that I wanted to eat is not open right now. What is that? Oh, something's happening here. It's a convenience. Oh, this place is pretty and there's no one here. This Pueblo Mágico is so quiet that I can practically walk in the middle of the road. There was no one. What a pretty town. Okay, I'm gonna look for the iglesia now. And then, is that the iglesia? I don't think so, right? And after that, I'll go look at 2 restaurants, go to the convenience store, and then I'll go back and rest. Yeah. Oh, another convenience store. There's so many. But they don't actually have like, you know, like fresh produce, like vegetables or fruits. They're just snacks. So quiet. A donkey. Just one donkey though. Oh, one scary wild dog over there that keeps barking. I'm gonna ignore it. Do not look. Let's go closer to the donkey. Hi, donkey. I don't know if you can see the sand. Oh, I do not know if you can see the sand. Whoa! How sandy this place is. The sand dunes and stuff. Wow. Oh, I think I found the city center. Ooh, scary. Oh, this tree's called Cinco de Mayo. I think this is the first Pueblo Mágico I've been to that does not have any vendors in the town square at all. There's almost no one. Look at this place, it's so quiet. Yeah. Oh, I see 2 dogs playing. Okay, that's something. Do you think I can go to church? Okay, do you think I can go inside the glacier? Seems closed though. No harm trying. I'm a little scared. Oh, it's cold inside. Oh, I think it's locked, but I can see it. Okay. The clock is not even working. So it's perpetually 12 over here in Viesca. Look at that. Usually there's like a sign with the name of the town where people can take pictures with, but so far I haven't seen any. I think there's supposed to be like 2 restaurants over here, but none of them seems to be open. I think that is another restaurant. I can't even tell if it's open. Huh. I think definitely closed. I think I might be forced to eat at the hotel, but the review said that they do serve good food, so I guess that's not a problem. I think all the gordita stores are closed. I need to come back here earlier in the morning tomorrow. So over here, probably nothing. Okay, I think it's time for me to go get water, maybe some snacks, and go back to the hotel. And then I'm gonna rest a bit. Strange guy playing music and drinking stuff. He's having the time of his life. I just bought water, but let me go to another convenience store and see what else they have. Oh, a dog. Hi, doggy. Everything is just snacks. Okay, let's see this convenience store. I don't think there's like a supermarket here. Okay, nothing. Oh, I see vegetables. Finally. I guess I can survive without vegetables for 2 days. Oh, this one's very yummy. But I can't eat this now, already got sweet, right? Voila. Oops. Let's get out the other way. Oh, another. Yes, yes. Okay, that was scary. His voice was like, oh, Viesca. Look what's over there. Adiós. I wonder what's happening there. Mass family gathering. I think the lady from the hotel gave me the key to the door because I'm probably the only one staying there right now. Yeah, so I guess it's a good thing. More snacks. I like this hotel, it's very pretty. Okay, I'm gonna rest in my room for a while and then I'll have dinner later. Oh. Okay.
¿Sí? A ver, usted me dice.
Oh, okay. Gracias. Oh.
¿Con ese o más? ¿Más?
I don't know. Okay.
¿Así?
Okay. Gracias. Okay, that's the fork and spoon. Oh, this looks really good. Okay, she's gonna get me tortilla now and tamarindo.
¿Me pongo hielo?
Gracias.
Guacamole, pero tiene chile.
Okay. Alright, gracias. Okay, so this guacamole has chili and then I guess this is salsa and the tortilla. Okay, let's try. The tortilla is hot.
Este está solo, por si no quiere chile.
Okay. I just got the avocado if I don't want the chili. I don't know how spicy that is. Let's try. Oh, it's spicy. But it's okay, bearable.